Hello kids, welcome to our channel. Today's learning fruits name. Apple.
Kumaniparam.
Crunchy and varied, rich in fiber and vitamin C. Orange.
Kamalaparam.
Orange zesty and rich in vitamin C, refreshing and immune boosting. Mango.
Mambaram.
Mango tropical and vitamin A rich, lusciously sweet. Banana.
Varieparam.
Banana portable and energy boosting, packed with potassium. Grapes.
Trache.
Grapes juicy and antioxidant rich, convenient and sweet. Papaya.
Papaliparam.
Papaya tropical and enzyme rich, aids digestion and deliciously sweet. Jackfruit.
Palaparam.
Jackfruit enormous and versatile tropical fruit with a sweet, distinctive flavor. Rich in fiber and nutrients. Pineapple.
Anasiparam.
Pineapple tangy and bromelain rich, aids digestion. Watermelon.
Darpushani.
Watermelon hydrating and juicy, contains heart-healthy lycopene. Pomegranate.
Madulaiparam.
Pomegranate jewel-like seeds encased in a tough, leathery skin, bursting with tangy sweet juice. Fig.
Atiparam.
Fig unique teardrop-shaped fruit with a sweet, honey-like flavor and soft, chewy texture. Packed with fiber, vitamins and minerals. Dates.
Perichambaram.
Dates sweet and caramel-like fruit with a soft, chewy texture. Rich in natural sugars, vitamins and minerals, dates provide a quick energy boost and are often used as a natural sweetener. Custard apple.
Sitaparam.
Custard apples offer potential health benefits such as improving digestion and boosting immunity. Cherry.
Selaparam.
Cherry small, vibrant fruit with a sweet and tart flavor. Packed with antioxidants and vitamin C. Strawberry.
Sembutruparam.
Strawberry sweet and antioxidant packed, promotes heart health. Dragon fruit.
Dragonparam.
Dragon fruit exotic and visually stunning, vitamin C rich. Guava.
Koyaparam.
Their crunchy seeds add texture, and they can be enjoyed fresh, juiced, or in various culinary dishes. Kiwi.
Pasaliparam.
Kiwi tart and fiber-filled, bursting with vitamin C. Starfruit.
Vilimbiparam.
Starfruit distinctive fruit with a unique star-shaped cross-section and a crisp, juicy texture. Jujube fruit.
Ilandaiparam.
Jujube small, reddish-brown fruit with a sweet and slightly tart flavor. Lemon.
Elumichaiparam.
Lemons offer potential health benefits such as immune support and improved skin health. Palm fruit.
Panaiparam.
Palm fruit, also known as palm berries or palm dates, they grow on various species of palm trees. Gooseberry.
Nellikai.
Rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, gooseberries offer potential health benefits such as immune support and improved eye health. Blueberry.
Aburinelliparam.
Blueberry tiny but powerful, loaded with antioxidants and fiber.
Sapodilla. சப்போட்டா பழம்.
Sapodilla oval-shaped tropical fruit with a rough, brown skin and sweet, caramel-like flavor.
Coconut. தேங்காய். Coconut. Versatile fruit with a hard fibrous shell and sweet refreshing water inside. Passion fruit. கொடித்தோடை பழம். Bursting with flavor, passion fruit is tangy and sweet, offering a tropical taste sensation. Thanks for watching.